Who's that?
That? Oh, that was work. I have to go in and help. I'll give a little hand.
Tonight?
Yeah, but it's only for a couple of hours. You're going out too, aren't you?
Yeah, I've got to go and talk to the Iceman at his hotel.
The Iceman. Oh, the Iceman, yeah. That's that real sick patient. The one who never reacts to anything.
That's him.
So, the doctor's making house calls now.
Well, no, it's not exactly a house call. I just want to discuss his illness and options for treatment.
No kidding. That could take a while, huh? A few hours?
It might. I don't know. He doesn't know I'm coming. I think it'd be better to talk to him at his place, be more relaxed. I'll be back in time for Cass and Frankie's party.
Well, don't rush it, because Frankie has everything under control. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Okay.
You got any Tabasco sauce?
Huh?
Hot sauce. Got any? I'm making more salsa.
Yeah, refrigerator door.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you, call that hospital I told you about?
Sending me Charlene's records.
And we need those.
I've got to have them, Frankie. It's the only way I'm going to be able to find out what's really bothering her.
Look, come on inside. I want you to taste something, okay?